And we're back to learn Photoshop in the year day 287. A couple of tools that I haven't talked about yet in my playlist, so we'll go over them step by step. We've got these single marquee tools, and we've got them for row, which is horizontal, and column, which is vertical. First option on the top left, you can leave that aside, because by default this already selects what we need. Then we've got our 4 selection options and a feather. Let us set the feather to 0 for now. And I've got the first mode active, which is new selection. And you already know that from the other selection tools. When I select something new, so simply left click here, it's going to erase the old selection. The second mode will then add 2 selections, so you can select multiple single horizontal rows here. Option number 3 and 4, you don't really need them with this tool because the selections are way too small to subtract. Therefore use cases are limited. Just stick to the first one and the second one. In our case, we'll use the first for new selection. I'll left click here on my canvas. I'm on the original layer and I press Ctrl J, and you can see this selects a single row, which is basically just 1 pixel. And if I press Ctrl T, I can make that a bit bigger so that you can see it. Let me add a feather of 1. I left click and this should give me a warning message. Just confirm it. You won't see a selection though, but trust me, there is one. Switch back to the original layer and then press Ctrl J. You can see it. We've got a selection with a feather. Don't feather it out too much. You can see already 1 pixel makes the original pixel very transparent. So when you have like 10 pixels, for example, almost all of the original colors will vanish. Usually you don't want to have a feather at all, like we did with the first try. So set that to 0. The single column marquee tool works the same way, but this time it's vertical. We've got it set to new. I can set it to add to selection. Let us go with that. I press Ctrl J. Then you can see now we've got 3 different pixels. Let me call that horizontal stripes selected here. You can press Ctrl T and size it a bit up. A couple of use cases when it comes to effects, and I've already made videos about that, so I'm not going to do that again here. I'll just refer you to them. Just check my channel homepage here for what is called a pixel stretch effect or a circle pixel stretch effect. You can also find that in my Photoshop manipulations playlist that I've just started. So if you're interested in seeing real use cases, just watch these 2 pixel stretch videos. And that's already it about these single marquee tools in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.